And moving on, the bail plea of Kannada actress Ranya Rao, who is currently in judicial custody over her alleged involvement in a high-profile gold smuggling case, will be coming up today. The Sessions Court had directed the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence to file its objections by the next hearing. Further proceedings will also continue once the objections are submitted. Ranya Rao had earlier filed a bail application before the Special Court for Economic Offences, which was rejected due to the serious nature of the allegations against her. And following this, her legal team moved to the Sessions Court in an attempt to secure her release. Let's hear in more details in this particular case, the updated ones from my colleague Gautam.
Keep in mind that, like you rightly pointed out earlier, Ranya Rao's legal team had moved the Economic Offences Court, and there the bail plea was rejected because the argument on that day was basically that there were procedural lapses on the part of DRI, which is why bail should be granted to Ranya Rao. But this statement that was made by the advocates was rejected then. But now we have another bail plea that's coming up in the Sessions Court. Now, keep in mind that the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence is going to file its objections first, and then the court is going to take a call on the bail plea. Now, it's important to note what are the kind of arguments that were made earlier as well. The main arguments that have been put forward by the DRI is that Ranya Rao did receive assistance from state protocol officers, basically to facilitate smuggling, and they argued that smuggling was indeed carried out as they had suspected. And they had also argued that she had access to the green channel in the airport as well, that it could not be done without insider help, and she could not reach the green channel at the airport without some kind of official help from the police there as well. And also keep in mind that gold detection claims as well, because the DRI has basically said that while passing through the green channel, individuals basically exit through the metal detector, and therefore the claim that the gold was not detected was incorrect as well. So all of these were the primary arguments that are put forth by the DRI, based on which they are going to carry forth today's arguments as well. And after that, we'll see if she will indeed receive bail. But also another important development is that the bail plea of Tarun Raju, who is the second accused and who's said to be a close friend of Ranya Rao, that is also going to come up today as well. Keep in mind that the kind of revelations that have come about with regard to Ranya Rao and Tarun Raju is also important to note here, given that they had a company in Dubai where basically gold was smuggled. That is the allegation as well. So there is intense scrutiny that is going to happen from Tarun Raju's part as well, whether he was the one, he's the kingpin in this whole case as well. That is going to be determined. And the other more bigger important detail today, or the development that is expected today, is regard to DGP Ramchandra Rao. Keep in mind that IAS and IPS officers have questioned him in this how Ranya Rao got access to the green channel as well, and she was able to get in and out using official protocol. Now, this report is expected to be submitted, and we are going to get details on whether DGP Ramchandra Rao did indeed help a stepdaughter in this gold smuggling scam as well. Here's there.
In fact, an FIR has been registered against BJP leader and Vijaypura MLA Basangauda Patil Yatnal at Bengaluru's High Grounds Police Station. The complaint was filed by Akula Arunadha on behalf of Kannada actress Ranya Rao. Yatnal, in fact, is accused of using derogatory and obscene language against Ranya during a recent event in Vijaypura, leading to defamation allegations. The case has been filed under Section 79 of the BNS Act. Ranya Rao is currently under arrest in connection with a 15 crore rupees gold smuggling case.